Your virtual assistant makes it easy to control your family hub while your hands are full in the kitchen. For using a virtual assistant, make sure your fridge is connected to Wi-Fi and that the microphone is turned on. Now, all you need to do to wake up your virtual assistant is say, "Alexa," or "Hi Bixby," and they'll be at your service. Let's say you're making pancakes and you use the last of the milk. Before you forget, just ask Bixby to add it to your shopping list. "Hi Bixby, add milk to my shopping list."
Got it, I put milk on your shopping list.
Or maybe your hands are a bit messy from making dinner, but you really wish you had some music to jam out to. No problem. If you use Amazon Music, just tell Alexa to play it. "Alexa, play Amazon Music."
Here's a station you might like on Amazon Music.
For those times when you're busy washing the dishes, but you get a phone call, don't worry, your virtual assistant will get it. "Hi Bixby, accept the call." So, whether you're using Bixby or Alexa, your virtual assistant is here to make your time in the kitchen much easier.